Plaque and tartar buildup on teeth can be more than just a cosmetic concern, it can lead to serious oral health issues if left unchecked. Before we delve into the details, remember to subscribe to our channel for more health tips, activate the notification bell, and share this valuable knowledge with your friends and family. Discovering effective methods to naturally remove plaque and tartar can significantly contribute to maintaining a healthy smile and preventing dental problems. Here are some proven techniques. Oil pulling for improved oral health. Oil pulling is an ancient practice renowned for its oral health benefits, including plaque removal. Extra virgin coconut oil, rich in lauric acid with potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, is particularly effective for this purpose. To try oil pulling, swish 1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring not to swallow it. Spit it out and proceed to brush your teeth as usual. For optimal results, repeat this process daily before breakfast. Harness the power of baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, serves as an excellent home remedy for combating plaque. It works by neutralizing mouth acids, thereby reducing harmful bacteria and brightening teeth. To utilize baking soda, simply apply a small amount to your damp toothbrush and brush your teeth gently. Rinse thoroughly afterward. Alternatively, create a paste by combining 1 teaspoon of baking soda with enough hydrogen peroxide to achieve a paste-like consistency. Use this paste to brush your teeth and gums, then rinse thoroughly. Exercise caution not to overuse baking soda, as excessive usage may harm tooth enamel over time. Embrace the anti-plaque properties of guava. Guava, both its fruit and leaves, boasts potent anti-plaque properties, aiding in the removal of plaque from teeth and gums. Chew tender guava leaves thoroughly and then discard them to help prevent plaque formation. Alternatively, sprinkle salt on a piece of unripe guava and chew it slowly, repeating 1 to 2 times daily for optimal results. Aloe vera for gum health and plaque reduction. Aloe vera is renowned for its effectiveness in combating gum disease stemming from plaque and tartar buildup. Its antimicrobial properties help eliminate plaque-causing bacteria while combating bad breath. To utilize aloe vera, extract the pulp from a leaf and rub it directly onto your teeth and gum line. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Repeat this process twice daily for best results. Leverage the benefits of cloves. Ground cloves, traditionally used to alleviate toothaches, also serve as a potent remedy against plaque and tartar-causing microbes. Create a paste by mixing 1 teaspoon of powdered cloves with a small amount of olive oil. Apply this mixture to your teeth, leave it on for a few minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. Additionally, chewing 1 or 2 cloves regularly can promote oral health and combat bad breath. Harness the acetic acid in white vinegar. White vinegar's acetic acid content aids in preventing enamel demineralization and reducing plaque accumulation. Its antibacterial properties further contribute to maintaining oral health. To utilize white vinegar, mix 2 teaspoons with 1 teaspoon of salt in half a cup of warm water. Rinse your mouth with this mixture once or twice daily for optimal results. Incorporating these natural remedies into your oral care routine can help effectively combat plaque and tartar buildup, promoting a healthier smile and preventing dental issues in the long run. Remember to maintain regular dental hygiene practices and seek professional care as needed for optimal oral health. Did you like the video? Please share, like and subscribe to our channel for new content. See you next time.